मस्त जब हवा में in a land so far away, where the rivers gently flow, golden meadows greet the dawn in the sunlight's golden glow. Birds are singing, flowers swaying, nature's voice is calling me through the hills and through the valleys, where my spirit roams so free. Whispering winds and dancing streams, magic lives in nature's dreams. Through the trees and skies so wide, love and wonder side by side. Where the fireflies take flight, silver willows gently glow in the calm of evening light. Through the mist, a voice so pure calls upon the heart in me, guardian of all that's wild in the valley by the sea. Whispering winds and dancing streams, magic lives in nature's dreams. Trees and skies so wide, love and wonder side by side. I will cherish every flower, every song the river sings. Let the valley's magic shine through the voice the soft breeze brings. So the valley lives in time, where the beauty always stays, a sacred place of love and light, forever in its gentle rays. Where the rivers gently flow, golden meadows greet the dawn in the sunlight's golden glow. Birds are singing, flowers swaying, nature's voice is calling me through the hills and through the valleys, where my spirit roams so free. Whispering winds and dancing streams, magic lives in nature's dreams. Through the trees and skies so wide, love and wonder side by side. Underneath the ancient oak, where the fireflies take flight, silver willows gently glow in the calm of evening light. Through the mist, a voice so pure calls upon the heart in me, guardian of all that's wild in the valley by the sea. Whispering winds and dancing streams, magic lives in nature's dreams. Through the trees and skies so wide, love and wonder side by side. I will cherish every flower, every song the river sings. Let the valley's magic shine through the voice the soft breeze brings. And so the valley lives in time, where the beauty always stays, a sacred place of love and light, forever in its gentle rays. Whispering winds and dancing streams, magic